Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna throw some different wheels on the Cressida because these stock wheels are, well, look at them. This thing looks like a Crown Vic. So yeah. And it's done. Headlights are gone too, but now it's dropped to the ground and it's on some 15-inch steelies. I think they're 15 by 8 plus 12 or plus 22. I'm not sure what the offset is, but yeah, it's looking pretty good now. Low as ever. A lot easier to work on. Well, maybe a lot harder to work on. Not really sure how to distinguish that, but yeah, getting this thing all done, getting it ready to go. Alright, so the gas tank is pretty much empty. It's not quite there, but it's empty enough that I feel comfortable getting more gas to put in there. So, got the gas tank. There goes the nozzle. Headed over to the gas station to get some gas. Now, I'm not sure if this car takes 93 or 87, but I'm just gonna get 87 because if those spark plugs are foul or the distributor's going out or I have bad voltage, then the premium's not gonna want to combust. Or it might, or it's gonna have difficulties doing it. So yeah, you need better spark to combust higher octane fuel. So yeah, I'm going to go over to the gas station, get some 87, see how the Cressida handles it. We got gas. Wow, that's exactly what happened with the MR2. This gas tank sucks. Alright, so the tank's all filled up. Time to see what happens when I crank the thing. So I'm gonna hook up the battery and give her a crank. See what happens. Blown. Okay, so as you can see, it didn't crank, but I'm seeing, well, there's, hold on. Guys, look what I found. Look what I found. Chalky milk. Look at that chalky. Look at all that chalky milk just leaking out. Head gasket it's beyond bad. Honestly, I think the reason it's not starting is because it's losing compression through this blow in the head. I mean, this is serious. Look at that. Look at all that chalky milk. That's wild. Catch up with you guys in a little bit. This head is definitely coming off.